How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to SicErik Tech, and today we're going to be checking out some cases from Poetic for the Motorola G Power 2024. Now, thank you Poetic for sending out these cases for me to check out. So, first one we do have the Poetic Revolution for the Moto G Power 2024 with the sliding camera cover on there as well. And then we also have the Poetic Guardian, and this is the black and clear versions. But the fun thing we're gonna do today, hopefully, is test out this case, which mainly this one over here. We're gonna do some drop tests. Hopefully that goes well, and hopefully my phone does not break. So that's going to be pretty interesting. So let's get started. Before we do, consider subscribing to the channel if you're new here. Welcome to SicErik Tech. I do videos like this. And yeah, let's check it out. So this is the Guardian. And just like the other cases for the Galaxy S24 that I did earlier, this does come with a screen protector front on here if you want to use that, and I probably won't do that, but for the drop test one we will be using this screen protector just to save us some heartache on that. So it does come with the frame to use either with this, or you can use with the screen protector on here, and that will give you a little bit more protection if you do not have a screen protector on your device. And here we got the Poetic Guardian case with a nice clear back. This will fully encase your device. You have some instructions on here for that. So let's go ahead and try this out. So here we got the Guardian, and let's see how this looks. Now, I usually don't go for cases like these just because I like to switch my cases out every now and then. So yeah, it can become a little bit of a hassle to try to do this all the time. Try to switch out your cases, but if you're the type of person that has your phone living in a case 24/7, then this might be for you. So you can get to the fingerprint sensor very nicely over here. Buttons are nice and clicky and tactile. You have all your port covers down here at the bottom. You get your charging, and you get your headphone jack ports to help with some dust on there. So here is the clear one. Very, very nice looking. I love the sides. This rubber feels really, really nice and smooth. And you still can see the back of the device, so that's nice. Whatever color you got, you still can see it. You do get a nice little gray trim going around on the inside with this color. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a nice touch. You got some Poetic branding right here. Here it is on the side with the fingerprint sensor and this dual layer technology on here. A little bit of grip on the sides, not much. Taking a look at the top. Your cutout for your microphone. Going on over to this side. Nothing. Camera protection is actually pretty good for that camera protection. A little bit of a raised lip going along there. And there are your buttons. And here is the bottom. And there is the back. So very nice protection. A nice raised lip going around the display. So that is quite nice, extra protective. You want to slam your phone on the desk, you can have it laying face down and still protect your display on here. So that is quite nice. And yeah, overall, I do like this case just because it shows the back of the device and it's nice and clear. And it actually goes with the device well because the colors actually looks really, really good with this device. So yeah, that is the Guardian for the Moto G Power 2024. So here is the Revolution. So this one we will be installing that screen protector that comes with this one, as you can see right here. So this is more of a durable case with the kickstand on the back. So that is quite nice. And the camera slider on here to protect everything, to fully enclose this device. So very, very nice. This is the Revolution case, and again, it does come with the option. If you do not want to have that screen protector, you can have it to where you just have the trim if you already have a screen protector installed. But we're going to go ahead and put the screen protector on. Now this one does not come with any wipes like the Galaxy S24, just because I don't have those wipes. Well, actually, give me a second. There is the screen protector accessories from the Galaxy S24, since I will not be using that one. So there we go, we got some wipes that we can use for this one. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. These cases are a little bit annoying to be putting on and off. Like I said, I don't like these type of cases. So let's go ahead and clean the device. We got an alcohol pad. And let's give it a quick wipe down. Nothing too serious here. Just doing a quick wipe down. And then now we're going to take off this inner plastic and slap it onto the device. Booyah. And there we go. For the screen protector is installed. That was pretty easy. And there we go. Actually did pretty good. Actually got it pretty well. Can't see a little bit of rainbow effect on there, but not too serious. Now let's slap it into the case and check it out. So you're going to want to put the bottom in first and then slide it on in. And boom. That was actually pretty easy. Again, you got your fingerprint sensor nicely open. And the screen protector actually works pretty well. No issues with touch sensitivity on here. So that is quite nice. As far as viewing angles go, let's see here. Actually looks pretty good as well. So let's take a walk around this case. So this is the Revolution. Again, you got your ports, your dust ports for your headphone jack and your USB Type-C. Checking out the back. Very nicely done with this design. Nice hard back. And you do get your kickstand on here. So you can't have your device sitting here like so if you want. And you could have it in portrait mode as well. And if you don't want to use it, you just go ahead and slap it down. You do have your camera protection to slide this in and out for your camera. So that's quite nice. Taking a look at the sides. Some nice detail over here. Taking a look at the back. Very nice and grippy. Very durable case. You do get some Poetic branding right there. And yeah, overall, very nice durable case. If you're a construction worker, if you're outdoorsy a lot, this is the case for you. This will definitely protect the hell out of your device. So now comes to the fun part. We're going to do some drop tests using this case outside onto the sidewalk and see how it does. Hopefully my phone survives. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so here is the drop test for the Motorola G Power Fusion using the Poetic Revolution case right here. And then we're going to go ahead and try it with the other case as well. And yeah, we're going to have the camera closed. And just to show you guys that phone is actually on. And the phone is actually in the case. So we're going to do it from about 3 feet, which is my pocket. I'm 6'4", so 3 feet from the pocket out onto the ground. Should be okay. I'm not going to throw this thing around because you know what? I love you, Poetic, but I don't trust you and I don't want to break my phone. So hopefully I don't break this phone. But we're just going to do a little bit of 3 feet action and maybe tossing it around a little bit more than that. But all right, so let's get started, shall we? All right, so here is from my pocket, which is right about here. And let's go ahead and, oops, you took your phone out and you dropped it. And there it is. Phone is unlocked for some reason. Hit right there on the corner. And yeah, there you go. So that did its job. Let's try it again. Taking your phone out of your pocket. You got butterfingers and it dropped on the ground. And There you go. Again, on that same corner with the Revolution case. So it did its job, I think. No broken screens, no broken nothing. So that's pretty good. Let's try a little bit higher. So going up to my shoulder. And there we go for shoulder height. And it is still working for the camera thing came undone. So now let's go ahead and toss it over there. Okay, still working. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try the other case, shall we? Alright, so now we got the Motorola, the case for the Motorola Fusion. We got the Guardian on here now. And as you can see, the phone is in there, phone is on. We got the screen protector on there, and this is the Guardian with the clear back. No camera protection other than that lip. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. Okay, so here is the Guardian, scuffing around that corner, and all around the device a little bit. Phone is still on, and let's take it out. Oh, a little bit of damage right there. Case did its job, and let's take the phone out and see how that went. Alright, so let's take the phone out and see if the phone's okay, which I'm pretty sure it is. And there is the phone. Phone is fine, no cracks. The phone survived. That's all I'm going to do, guys. I'm not going to take this any further. So there you are with the drop test with the Revolution and the Guardian from Poetic. They did their job. We didn't do anything serious. We did 3 feet and about 5 feet of dropping right there. We threw it around a little bit, and obviously the phone survived. So you got butterfingers and you drop your device, I think these cases will do just fine. And they might do even more, but I did not want to risk it since this is my phone and I paid for it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I'll see you next time here on SicErik Tech. Peace.